Mastering word relationships. Unravel meaning and boost your reading comprehension. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating part of advanced vocabulary, understanding word relationships. This will help us tremendously in determining the meanings of words, especially in a reading comprehension context. So, buckle up and let's boost our comprehension skills together. Word relationships, in the context of English language learning, refer to the connections that words have with one another. These relationships can be in the form of synonyms, words with similar meanings, antonyms, words with opposite meanings, or contextual associations, words that have connections due to the context they are used in. Understanding these relationships can unlock new layers of meaning and enhance our overall reading comprehension. A valuable strategy when tackling difficult texts is to look for synonyms and antonyms. These can provide clues to the meaning of unknown words. If you encounter an unfamiliar word, look for synonyms or antonyms in the surrounding sentences or paragraphs. Remember, synonyms often appear in parallel structures or are joined by words like and, also, likewise, while antonyms are frequently introduced by contrast words such as but, however, on the other hand. Words in a text do not exist in isolation, they are part of a wider context. This context can provide valuable clues about the meaning of an unfamiliar word. These contextual associations can be due to cause-effect relationships, temporal order, problem-solution structures, or other logical connections within the text. So, when you encounter an unknown word, always take a moment to read around it. Let's apply these strategies with an example. Consider the sentence, "The professor was known for her erudite lectures, always brimming with wisdom and insight." Here, the word erudite might be unfamiliar, but by looking at the synonyms, wisdom and insight, you can infer that erudite has something to do with being knowledgeable or learned. Understanding word relationships is a powerful tool to enhance your reading comprehension and expand your vocabulary. Remember, whenever you face an unknown word, look around it. Are there any synonyms, antonyms, or contextual clues that can help you infer its meaning? We hope you found this video helpful and that it takes your English language learning to the next level. Keep practicing, and see you next time.